Learn the names of birds, Part 2. غراب.
غراب.
نسر.
نسر.
كنار.
كنار.
Don't forget to test your knowledge. Take the free quiz linked in the description below and see how much you've learned. It's quick, fun, and totally free.
نورس.
نورس.
بجعة.
بجعة.
يمامة.
يمامة.
صقر.
صقر.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for guidance by Arabic professionals. Join our free Quizlet classroom for interactive vocab flashcards and games. Link in the description. Watch the next video, a quick test to check your understanding. Until next time, take care and keep learning.